Hey guys, so I seen a little video earlier by a pretty popular creator roasting some teenage Braceface, and essentially it was about PDFs and how boomers are giving away locked PDFs.
Older people can't figure out PDFs, and we like to yap, according to this guy's video.
I don't think Gen Z PC builders could have survived what we went through back in the day.
Man, old people just love yapping, huh?
It's not that we don't know how to use PDFs, it's the old people don't know how to use PDFs and always lock them.
Alright, you entitled broccoli haircut degenerate, listen up. I know since you're probably like 5 foot tall with shoes on that everyone looks taller and older to you. But I'm a millennial and the actual old people are the boomers. Now, the reason why we struggle with PDFs is because we're getting them from the boomers.
So everyone's wrong here. Essentially, I'm gonna show you quickly how to take a protected PDF like this one and try to basically if I were to want to save this right now, right? So menu, I want to save as, it's gonna give me an error, right? Won't let you save, blah blah blah. We're gonna use this as an example. So I'm gonna click Control P for print. All right, perfect. So now it's Microsoft Print a PDF is what we want. Here's a real printer. We're not gonna use that. We're going to use Microsoft Print a PDF, okay? All good. Okay, now we're going to print. It's going to ask me where I want it. I'm going to say desktop. Oh, I got to enter something. Cool. Duh. All right. I can open this. Now I got a fully editable PDF. Not locked in any way. I mean, it is a little bit more difficult to edit, but if you know what you're doing on a PDF document, this should not be difficult for you. That's pretty much it, guys. See ya.